Assalam.o.alaikum. In this video, I will tell you about the difference between work teams and work groups. So number one, in work teams, leadership role is shared. In work groups, one leader clearly in charge. Number two, accountable to self and team, while in work groups, accountable only to self. Number three, team creates specific purpose, while in work groups, purpose is same as broader organizational purpose. Work is done collectively in work teams, while work is done individually in work groups. Number five, meeting characterized by open-ended discussion and collaborative problem solving. And in work groups, meeting characterized by efficiency, no collaboration or open-ended discussion. Number six, performance is measured directly by evaluating collective work output, while in work groups, performance is measured indirectly according to its influence on others. Number seven, work is decided upon and done together, while in work groups, work is decided upon by group leader and delegated to individual group members. Teams can quickly assembled, deployed, refocused, and disbanded. So this is all about work teams and work groups. I hope you get the answer of what is the difference between work groups and work teams. And this question is very important according to your exams in short as well as long. And for more amazing management lectures, be sure to subscribe this channel. Happy learning!